Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your second week of May readings start from the 8th through the 14th of May 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Libra. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time. I will add charms, oracle cards and color cards as well in this reading, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Libras, let's dive into the read and let's find out what can you expect coming up for you for this week time. Let's begin. Three of Pentacles. Your person could be very busy this week time, so just be aware of that. They have a lot going on in their life, but somehow the good news is that this person has you at the back of their mind 24/7. So you don't have anything to lose. You don't have anything to get worried about. But yes, I do see that maybe you are gonna feel like maybe you're losing this connection. Maybe they are not investing into this connection with you, which is going to bother you at all the time maybe. But you don't have anything to worry about because your person is pretty much yours. Even if they are working, even if they are with people, even if they are busy, they are all yours and they have you on their mind heavily. So just relax. See more cards here. You would feel like your person is not giving you enough time. You would be craving, needing their time and space. You would want them to spare their time for you, but maybe they will not be able to do so, which is going to kind of create a lot of trouble for you this week time. Now, for those of you who are very much confident about yourself, they will not have as many issues as the ones who are having lack of confidence in themselves. You would feel like as if your person is slipping away. Maybe they are losing interest in the connection that they have with you. You would have those kind of fears around this situation, this connection that you have with your specific someone. You would imagine as if they are with another person. You would feel bad for yourself. In actuality, it seems like your person is heavily thinking about you all the time, but just that maybe they are unavailable right now to you. Let's take more cards here. They will fail to do justice to you and the connection during this time. But again, if and only if you could understand them and their perspective, and maybe you can try understanding. Maybe they are as busy as the if you ever had a day which was hell busy, that's them right now. A day where you didn't even get enough time for yourself, that's them right now. Maybe they don't have enough time to sleep even. So maybe you need to be understanding of them and their situation right now. I don't know what is it that your person does. Maybe they are somebody who is very much occupied with so many things, their work, family and other things as well. So maybe you should not be getting worried. You should not be feeling neglected or ignored by them. And trust me, your person knows that they are unable to give you what they should be giving you. They are aware of it. But then, if let them have the guilt rather than you complaining around it. Just let them have the guilt. What's gonna happen out of that would be there will be more loving understanding giving towards you once they get done with this. Now, if you complain, if you argue, if you fight, if you say, oh my god, you've been busy with this and this, it is just gonna push your person away. So make sure you understand where this person is coming from. Try to understand their background of the story, and so it gets easy for the two of you to stay together and come together when this person is done with this. So make sure you don't make a mistake by being the one who misunderstands, who picks up fight, argue with them, why this, why that. Just let this person have their time right now. Let's take more cards here. King of Swords. You would feel like your person is so damn cold towards you, as if they are dead already. This person is giving you that vibe. Maybe they are not responding to your messages. They will not be responding or anything to do with that. You're gonna feel like picking up fight, argument with your person. So again, it's a warning for those out there who are expecting to have a communication with your person, feeling like you want to talk to this person. Don't do that, especially if you are in no communication with your person. If you reach out to your person is not going to respond to you. Now, don't think that they are with someone else. It's not the case. They are not. they have something shitty going on in their life. They are dealing with that shit now. And even if you see them online 24/7, they are not online for another person in their life. It's just something bigger than what you can expect right now. So I do see your person is going to be coldest, or they're coldest to you during this time. So just bear with them. Let's take last card. Eight of Swords. Your mental stories are going to tell you another thing to believe. They are done with you. They have moved on, this and that. In actuality, their work is the only thing that is keeping them so fucked up. I mean, the deck we do have the Six of Swords. They would need to have the peace in their life. They would need to have you by their side. They would need to have put an end to all this situation to start something beautiful with you. But because you are overthinking, because you are not understanding their perspective, you will be having a lot of issues with your specific someone during this week time. So just be aware of that and try to understand them and their perspective if you could. So yeah, let's see what else do we have coming up for you guys for this week time. So let love in. You are blocking it. You are blocking it by thinking negative. You are not letting your person have their space right now, which they badly need because something shitty is happening. Time in the nature is going to help you release the stress, tension that you have. You can also spend some time doing the things that you love. Maybe spending time with the friends and family. Maybe you go out with your guys gang, girls gang, whatever suits you, whatever makes you feel good. Time apart is needed, much needed. You have to pull yourself away from this person for some time. So they, like I said, if you do so, if you are understanding towards them, they will have the guilt within them that they could not give you enough time. But if you start demanding, they will be kind of feeling like you're gonna just push them away from you. So don't do that. Act as if you already got it all. Start saying that to yourself. You got it all already. Your person is all yours. You have nothing to be fearful of. They are all yours. They are all yours. And they will be all yours. As of now, they are. There are things which are keeping them away from you, but be understanding towards them. There is no other person in their life. Just there is something else that you are unaware of. Brilliant idea. Yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take action to bring your idea to fruition. For some of you, it's high time that you follow your idea around the situation, around this person as well. Now, for some of you, if you really don't know what's going on in your person's life, maybe you can seek some sort of guidance from the nature, especially when you spend some time in the nature. Maybe you can seek guidance from the God that you believe in, and trust me, you will get some sort of answer coming from the divine towards the whole situation, which is going to give you maybe some idea to get to know what's going on in their life as well. Maybe you're gonna try reaching out to a friend of theirs to find out what is it that's keeping your person kind of away from you right now. Not because they don't want to be with you, just because there is something shitty in their life. So just try to relax for now. Prayer is going to help you a lot. Pray, affirm, and try to keep yourself calm around this person, around the situation that they are dealing with. Everything is perfectly fine. It's just that you are overthinking, or maybe your person is stuck in something, and that's making you kind of overthink around the situation and create a lot of stress on yourself. Learn to scan your body. Number 29, gray. For some of you, you're gonna feel like I really want to know everything. Maybe the person that you are dealing with, for some of you, your person could be sick as well. For some of you, if not, then there is somebody in their life who is sick. Maybe they need their attention, and maybe they are so focused on them. Maybe they are praying 24/7 for their health, for their loved ones to heal. So try to be understanding towards your person. Maybe you cannot, if you were at their place, how would you be reacting? Try to understand their time. It could be a difficult time for them, so just try to let them have their space. So the charms, try to go slow around it. Try not to overthink. Try not to create any unwanted thoughts around it. Maybe your person is with another person. Nah, they are not. Try to listen to positive, happy music if you can, to keep yourself calm, to keep yourself positive. That's what you need the most right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. Try to be understanding towards your person, and it's okay if they are not giving you enough time right now. They will once they get free, and they are not going anywhere. Maybe it's just a time that you have to stay apart from each other. They are cold towards you, not because they want to, they are dealing with something shitty. So just be careful with how you treat them, how you behave with them, how you act with them. They are definitely thinking about you, but yes, they cannot be with you right now. So try to understand that. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week. And if the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.